Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we will draw a very cute character with you. If you're ready, let's start. I start drawing with the eyes first. After drawing two round eyes, we draw a smiling mouth. Then for the face, we start from the side of the eye and draw a line to the other side, then draw two huge ears. While drawing these ears, we draw a line from the top of the head and connect it to the other ear. Then, to draw the hat, we draw another line over the line to create the bottom part of the hat. And now we draw the ribbon of the hat. Let's not forget to draw the pointed part of the hat. Then let's draw two lines for his body and add these lines to his little round feet. Let's complete the body from the bottom of these feet. Let's draw small arms and add the tail. A smiling pumpkin looks great on the body. A very nice drawing for Halloween. Yes, our drawing is finished. How do you think it happened? We are becoming a bigger family every day. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video to join this beautiful family. If you have drawings you want me to draw, you can write them in the comments. I love you all. See you in the next video.